Good morning, Thursday. I told you I would bring you these Ponteromas, and here they are, and they're beautiful. They are really beautiful. I just want to show you the colors. So they're all $19.99. They're all two-way stretch. They're all cotton poly except for this one. They're just gorgeous colors. So I want to put them next to one another. This is a deep lavender. I'm actually going by the colors that were on the tags. This is more like a little mauve-y to me. It's really beautiful. The feel of these are incredible. This is a pink. And you know, the cool thing about these fabrics is they can be jackets, they can be pants, they can be tops. They can be just about anything. They're just the most versatile fabric. And they're two-sided. They're just really a great fabrics. They're just great fabrics. I hope you all enjoy and appreciate and love them, because they are. This is a grape. No, that's not. It's a light grape. It's purple. But you can see the drape is amazing. They're smooth. They're soft. They're kind of like a, I don't know. They're just soft. This is a sky blue, we called it. This is a sky blue. And I put it right next to the other blue so you could see. They're calling this, the color on this was harbor blue. So this is obviously darker, a little bit lighter, but they're both just incredible. And then this last one I put in because it's a faux leather, but it's burning 100% cotton. I don't know how, but it is. It's burning 100% cotton. It's a woven fabric. It's got a tiny little mechanical stretch to it, but I'm putting these in because I use this so much, like in welts or on jackets or the front in zippers or the side panels in pants. It just can be used. You can do a knit pair of pants and put in a little woven side panel because it doesn't affect the knit. But anyway, I just thought that would be really fun. The black contrast to all of these would be beautiful. So all today, $19.99. Enjoy. Happy sewing. Great fabrics. Thanks.